Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Marie. Welcome to Montreal. Today, we're trying a crispy chimney cake, slurping up Michelin guide recommended ramen, shaking things up at a cocktail class, having breakfast inside a stunning old bank, and ending with some unbelievably fresh pasta. Ready? Let's get started. It's Valentine's Day and we are in Montreal and we're bringing you guys along with us for a food tour. We're gonna try to eat as much food as our bellies will allow us.
I'm ready and I'm starving.
Let's go. First stop, we're at Old Sweet Pastry. We're gonna have a chimney cake, which is Hungarian. I've had one when I was in Hungary and it was delicious. This one's a little bit different. It's got Nutella in the middle. The outside is coated with sugar and cinnamon.
I already booked the dentist appointment, so.
Let's take it out of the bag. It's really hot. Nice bowl. Good dough, nice and crispy on the outside.
Chocolate's not too overwhelming. You get the cinnamon sugar taste. Pair it with a coffee here.
And it's huge. It takes up the whole bag, so I'd say take one and share it.
I was kind of worried it was going to be too sugary or too sweet, but not really. If I had to rate it, a 9 for dessert. It's perfect weather out here today. Not too cold. The sun's out. Now we're off to ramen, sweets before ramen. Gotta wait with too long.
We're at stop number 2. We're gonna get some delicious ramen at Yokato Yokabai. I think that's the name. Yes. Let's go.
Excited. It's a Michelin ramen noodle house, so high expectations here. My beer style is IPA, so here we are. I had to try it, so here we go. It's very good. Fruity, not too thick. I'd get another one. Definitely looks very yummy. Not good with chopsticks either, so I usually would have got, I might eat with this spoon. No judgment. Please don't judge. Yeah, no way. Very yummy. My goal of the day is to not get anything on this shirt, okay? So
I got the pork broth. Wow. After trying both the chicken and the pork one, I think pork is the winner. Yeah, pork is the winner.
Jinxed myself. Fail mission.
Next stop, we're on our way to a cocktail class at Tap Tap Cocktail.
I learned to make a few drinks, get myself ready for our next few trips to be the bartender, impress all our friends. Not just buying lunch this time, I'm making drinks. The drinks are already getting to me. Drink.
Tastes like summer. Tastes like juice.
So this is mine, and this is Marie's. Mine was pretty good, but Marie's is better. Sorry guys, I don't know if I'll be bartending. That was a great experience. I think at the end of the day, Marie is the better drink maker, so I'd recommend if you come to Montreal. It's a great time, fun time, laughs, getting to meet new people. It's It's a good experience.
The next day, we're going for breakfast at Brew Cafe. You ready for breakfast?
Yeah, it's gonna be yummy, hopefully.
I like where you order, it looks like green guts. It reminds me of Harry Potter.
It's definitely nice. I found like it's not too loud. Good matcha latte, like a little sweet at the start, but I'm a little sweet too. So.
Used to be a bank built in the 1920s, and we've ordered some breakfast, so can't wait to taste and see if the food is worth all of the hype.
Tastes very like clean, healthy. Cream cheese is good. The bagel's good. Time to eat some pasta.
Last stop.
Last stop. Definitely recommend. Come to Lulu's. Lulu's bar. It's probably one of the best food spots these 2 days.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!